We now understand the importance of the measures of dispersion or measures of variability. We may make use of variance, standard deviation, interquartile range, or range. This is how we can compute the population variance manually. As you can see in this formula, the denominator is n, or the population size. For sample variance, we use the denominator n-1, or sample size minus 1. This formula simply shows that the variance is the sum of square deviations from the mean, and this sum is divided by the population size if we are dealing with population data, and the sum is divided by n-1 if we are dealing with sample data. Next up, let's have the interquartile range. It's so easy to determine because all you have to do is to get the difference between the third quartile and the first quartile. The third quartile is determined by arranging the numbers from least to highest, and then you find the median. Now, you have to determine also the median of the lower half. The median of the lower half is here. It's 64, which you got by getting the average of these two values. And then you will also get the median of the upper half. It should be here, which is the average of 77 and 81. The median of the lower half is what you call the first quartile. The median of the upper half is what you call the third quartile, or Q3. Then you get the difference between Q3 and Q1. The difference is what you call the interquartile range.
Another measure of dispersion is range. Range is the difference between the highest value and the lowest value. If we use the previous example, then all you have to do is to subtract 63 from 81 to get the range. In the next video, I will show you how to use SPSS in determining the measures of dispersion.